Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best flavor injector is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the kitchen, especially for those who love to grill, smoke, or roast meats. This handy device allows you to inject marinades directly into your meat, ensuring that every bite is bursting with flavor. Whether you're preparing a Thanksgiving turkey, a juicy steak, or flavorful chicken, a flavor injector can take your culinary creations to the next level. Number 5. Barbecue Grill Marinade Injector Syringe 1 ounce red. This injector is made with safe materials. The meat needle and plunger rod are stainless steel, while the syringe barrel and handles are made of friendly plastic. It is designed to keep your family safe and healthy. This turkey injector kit is super lightweight and comes in an ultra-compact package. It's easy to carry in your backpack or storage bag, making it perfect for parties, indoor cooking, or outdoor BBQs. This food injector is built to last, intensifying the flavors of your meats. You can inject seasonings like garlic butter or red wine into turkey, steak, or chicken for delicious results. The injector is ergonomically designed for single-hand use. It has a graduated injection chamber and comes with a cleaning brush for the meat needle. It's also easy to clean. Remember to grind seasoning herbs smaller than the needle hole. This 1 ounce plastic injector is great for barbecue, but a 2 ounces stainless steel version is recommended for long-term use. What we like. This injector is designed with safety in mind, ensuring your family's health. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for any party or outdoor event. If you are looking for a convenient and safe option for your cooking needs, you should consider this one. What people say. Everything fits within itself and makes it super easy to store away. The injector was super easy to use and made for a juicy and terrific bird. So simple to use for all my special meat dishes, and cleanup is a breeze. Number 4. Cave Tools Meat Injector, Marinade Injector. This meat injector is built to last, designed to withstand frequent use. It's perfect for enhancing the flavor of your favorite meats, ensuring reliable performance every time. Its sturdy construction resists cracks, making it a quality addition to your kitchen. This multi-purpose tool comes with multiple needles to accommodate various marinades. Whether you're using large spices or chunkier blends, it has you covered. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. This meat injector makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. It's suitable for a variety of culinary tasks, from frying turkeys to enhancing the moisture of meats. While some users may have issues with the needle, proper care will ensure a smooth experience. This meat injector is designed for versatile kitchen tasks. It's effective with both thin and thick marinades. Our customer service is available to address any concerns, making this a reliable tool for your cooking needs. Elevate your cooking with this injector, perfect for enhancing the taste and juiciness of meats. It's especially effective with chunkier marinades, allowing for a gourmet experience at home. Remember to maintain it properly, and you'll be on your way to cooking mastery. What we like. This injector is built to last, with a sturdy design that can handle frequent use. It comes with multiple needles for various marinades, making it a versatile tool for any cook. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable tool for your kitchen, it's a great choice. What people say. The injector needles are very sharp and he has no issues getting them to go through the meat. The plunger works well and is easy to clean. The injector has tons of suction and is easy to use, but its greatest attribute is probably the feel of it. This is a real tool, not a toy. Number 3. JY COOKMENT Meat Injector Kit. This marinade injector kit is made of food-safe materials. It's durable and the needles are sharp, easily penetrating any meat or poultry. This ensures you can enrich the taste of tough or thick cuts. The injector is designed for quick and easy disassembly. The included cleaning brush makes cleanup simple. It is recommended to wash it by hand. This seasoning injector makes every bite of the meat flavorful and juicy. It intensifies flavors, perfect for Thanksgiving turkey, beef brisket, pork, and barbecue roasts. It's ergonomically designed for one-hand use. The graduated injection chamber has 1 ounce 30 milliliters capacity markings. The 3-inch needle has holes for deep penetration and perfect sauce distribution. You get one meat injector, a cleaning brush, and 2 needles. Remember to remove the plastic protection tip before use. This 1-ounce injector is designed for temporary use. It also comes with friendly customer service and a 100% unconditional return policy. What we like. This injector is made with safe materials and designed for easy cleaning and disassembly. It ensures every bite of your meat is flavorful and juicy. If you like a simple and effective injector, it's a great option. What people say. Easy to use, works as it should. It does the job and is pretty sturdy, not flimsy like others. Works great. Number 2. Meat Injector Syringe and Brushes Set. This meat injector syringe set helps you create delicious, juicy flavors. It's perfect for injecting marinades deep into your meat and poultry. This will make your meals more flavorful. All components are made of food-grade materials. The syringe and needles are stainless steel, and the brushes are made of silicone. This ensures that it is safe to use and can withstand high temperatures. The injector is made with high-quality stainless steel and zinc alloy. The needles are designed to easily pierce through any cut of meat. It's also easy to clean, especially with the included cleaning brushes. The syringe and needles are easy to assemble and disassemble. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. It comes with multiple needles for different uses, making it versatile. Use this injector for turkey, beef, pork, and more. Inject jelly, pudding, or sauces for added flavor. It's perfect for any occasion, from everyday cooking to holiday barbecues. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us. Get yours today and enjoy a delicious meat feast. What we like. This injector is made with high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring your food is safe and delicious. It's also designed for easy use and assembly, saving you time in the kitchen. If you are looking for a reliable and safe tool, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The lager tips and sturdy construction allows me to use chunkier marinades, like jerk seasonings, and get them deep into the meat. Made of great quality stainless steel. The material is sturdy, needles are as described, and did it do what it's meant to do. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Flavor Injector. Tired of bland meat? This injector is designed to infuse marinades and brines directly into your meat and poultry. It's the quick and easy way to add tons of flavor. The large, open handle is comfortable to use from any angle. You'll find it easy to pull and push, making the process effortless. It comes with stainless steel needles, designed for both thick and thin marinades. When not in use, the needles store safely inside the injector tube. The flag design and color-coded grips on the needles make them simple to twist on and off. Even with greasy fingers, you can easily change the needles. The clear, BPA-free Tri-10 tube lets you see exactly how much marinade is left. It also has measurement markings up to 2 ounces, so you know how much you're injecting. This injector comes apart for thorough cleaning. This ensures that it's always ready for your next culinary adventure. What we like. This injector features a comfortable handle and stainless steel needles, making it easy to use at any angle. The clear tube lets you see how much marinade is left, and it comes apart for thorough cleaning. If you like a user-friendly and easy-to-clean option, it's a great choice. What people say. The tabs on the needles make them easy to attach and remove. This worked better than I expected. Worked well. Must make sure solution is right consistency to pass through needle. It favors seasons meat well. Must make sure consistency is thin enough to go through needle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.